Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving deep into a topic that can be super confusing when you're re-shopping for a new laptop. What exactly do those generations mean? You see terms like 10th gen, 11th gen, 12th gen, and now even 13th and 14th gen thrown around. It sounds complicated, but I promise, by the end of this video, you'll be a pro. So, let's start with the basics. When we talk about laptop generations, we're almost always referring to the generation of the CPU, or the Central Processing Unit. Think of the CPU as the brain of your computer. It handles all the calculations, instructions, and basically makes everything run. The two biggest players in the laptop CPU market are Intel and AMD, and both use this generational naming system to mark improvements in their technology. Let's take Intel as our main example because their naming is pretty straightforward. You'll see names like Intel Core i5-1135G7. That 11 at the beginning is the key. It tells you this is an 11th generation processor. If it was an i5-1235U, that 12 means it's a 12th generation chip. Simple, right? AMD does something similar with their Ryzen processors, though their naming can be a little more complex. But the general rule still applies. A higher number usually means a newer and better processor. So why does this even matter? Well, each new generation isn't just a new number. It represents a significant leap in technology. A new generation typically means the processor is built on a more advanced architecture. This translates to several real-world benefits for you. First, performance. Newer generations are almost always faster and more efficient. They can handle more tasks at once, applications open quicker, and everything just feels smooth. This is because engineers find ways to pack more transistors onto the chip and improve how it processes information. Second, you get better integrated graphics. For a long time, if you wanted to do any gaming or serious video editing, you needed a separate, dedicated graphics card. But with recent generations, especially from Intel's 11th gen onwards with their Iris Xe graphics, the built-in graphics have become surprisingly powerful. You can now play many popular games and handle creative work on a thin and light laptop without a dedicated GPU, something that was unthinkable just a few years ago. Third, and this is a big one for laptop users, is power efficiency. Each new generation is designed to do more work while using less battery. This means you get longer battery life, allowing you to work or stream on the go without constantly hunting for a power outlet. The jump from the 11th to the 12th generation, for example, was huge in this area because Intel introduced a new hybrid architecture with both performance cores and efficiency cores. The computer intelligently switches between them to give you power when you need it and save battery when you do So, to sum it all up, a higher generation number means a newer, faster, and more power-efficient processor with better integrated graphics. When you're buying a new laptop, aiming for the latest or second latest generation is usually the best strategy to ensure your device stays fast and capable for years to come. I hope this helped clear things up. If you have any more questions about laptop specs, drop them in the comments below. I love helping you guys make sense of all this tech jargon.